I was hurt. I was in need. They showed up.
In Tariq Alexander's case, somebody sideswiped him as he was driving down the highway.
A young lady drifted over into my lane and hit me.
And at the end of the day, they failed to accept any responsibility for their actions.
They didn't want to take care of my bills, my accident, my truck. That was my baby. I loved that truck. They're not wanting to take your claim serious. They thinking that it's not real. What? But thank God for Elrod and Pope, man, because they came to the rescue. They stepped in and said, hey, we'll fight with you.
It was not a case that necessarily should have required a lawsuit or should have gone through a jury trial, but the insurance carrier really left us with no other option. They refused to pay his medical bills, they refused to fix his vehicle, and he's somebody that was willing to stand up to him and go the distance.
All I knew that we was going to be in for a fight because my attorney said, if you want to, we can fight, and I took it personal. So I say, hey, let's go all the way with it. And I don't care what it takes, let's just go for it.
He was willing to stand by our side and follow us, into the courtroom and ride it out, and was so happy for him at the end of the case. He was able to ultimately walk away and hear a jury, affirm our belief that the other party was 100% at fault and that he did not bear any fault for the accident.
To me, it was a personal thing, and I was very pleased with what the attorneys was able to do with me and for me. They didn't treat me like I was just someone just passing through. They treated me like someone that they cared about. That made me stick with them the whole way and say, hey, guys, let's go. Even to this day, if something goes wrong, I have them on speed dial. I'm going to be calling them. I look at Ben as he's not my attorney anymore. He's more of a friend, a family member. And I'll always be indebted to him, always. And you don't meet people like that every day in your life. But when you do meet them, hold on to them.